Hey, we're back. Oh, wait, no, we don't have music on there. All right, listen. If you're on phase one, view one, then you know what we're doing.
Beer.
Yeah. We got 39 beers. No, actually, we got like 15. We went through 6 of them, so we got to roll through some more of these. All right, so I did get this one today. It's Sunlab Drinky American Sour Ale with blackberry Sicilian lemons. And vanilla milk sugar. Milk cigar. Look at that. Look how that looks like cigar, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't look like sugar. All right, so Trim Tab always, Sun Lab always makes good sours. They do have good sours. Of course, they put their label right on the. Never mind. I'll just pour through it. I don't mind. Oh, there you go. As always, sending those to the home office.
Oh, God.
And as always, this episode of Friday Night Beer Tasting brought to you by Bull Feathers Barbershops, downtown Madison, Westside Huntsville. Oh. All right, here we go. Most of the time, Sun Lab makes really good sours. Sometimes I make doesn't have a lot of flavor to it, does it? It's got some tart. Got that in it. Tart and sour tart. Not a lot of flavor. Which I get. For some reason, blueberries seem to be a favorite of beer brewers.
It's blackberry.
They want.
It probably would have been better if it was blueberry.
So anyway, this is 5.7% alcohol, brewed by Westbrook Brewing, Mount Pleasant, South Carolina, for Sun Lab Brewing in Miami, Florida. So
you know when you get a beer that's with lemon or lime and it just has too much in it. That's what that has. Next.
Yep, I hear you. All right. All right. Run on to a. Ta-da! What the heck? Chauffy Soleil? How do you say that? Can't read that backwards. Chauffy Sophie?
Yeah.
Chauffy Soleil? So. Oh my God. Where'd you find this? Belgian Sunshine Beer. Oh.
I got it a while back.
6% alcohol. All right, so this is made by.
I'm gonna say Liquor Express.
Let's see. Delicious fruity. I don't care about that.
Yeah, tell us what it's supposed to taste like.
All right, so this is delicate fruity, refreshing Chauffy Soleil. Promises you radiant moments throughout the summer. Made from a blend of malted barley, this would be great, wheat and rye.
Mandarin and lime.
All right. Okay.
Oh, God.
Imported by Dave Morgan, USA. New York, brewed by Brasserie de la Coquina, Belgium. And my takeaway, it was 6% alcohol. But let me tell you what. Got a message for Puerto Rico. Do not litter. Okay. So now we got that out of the way.
What the hell?
You know how them Puerto Ricans are. You got to tell them all the time. Do not litter.
Stop.
We got the big tap gun. There we go. All right. So I have no idea what this is going to taste. I got a feeling
It's going to taste like an ale with mandarin and lime.
on the good to bad. Oh, wow! Look at that. Look how clear that is. Look how pretty. That's a pretty beer. That's a very pretty beer.
Smells good though.
It's very summer, crisp, light.
Why is it called?
Huh?
sudsy bubbles in there.
Yeah, I don't, because it's Belgium. I don't know about that, but I mean, it's not a bad beer. It's very light, very not aromatic, very
I kind of like it
it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, I'm not
for a Belgium ale.
I'm not for anything from Belgium. Yeah, I'm good. That's not bad. That is not bad. I have to give it to you, Belgium. You pulled one off there. You surprised me, and I know that was your intent, surprising me. So okay, but anyway, Trophy Solial. Who said I?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. All right. That was halfway through. That was number 8.
We need to move faster.
Oh, we got this. It's no problem. All right. So next one is Blueberry Fields Forever, sparkling blueberry lemonade. Oh, great! This is going to be good.
I think Kyle gave us that.
Keep it simple, keep it fresh, drink it in. Okay. This is from Devil's Foot Beverage Company. Oh yeah, this is completely different because this has the calories. There's 68 calories in this, and
15 grams of sugar.
18 grams of carbs. Oh my God! Natural ingredients. Some sediment may occur.
I don't need to know how many sugars.
We're gonna desedimentize that.
Do this.
Oh, okay, all right. This has got some carbonation in it. I don't know if we ought to be doing that. It's going to end up everywhere.
To the moon, Alice. Zip bang.
This has filtered water, organic lemon juice, organic cane sugar, regional honey, fresh blueberry. This is not beer.
What is it then?
I don't know, but
it's from Asheville,
It's
North
made in
Carolina.
Asheville, North Carolina, so I guess it's got beer lineage.
Did you say an alcohol content?
Yeah. Oh, well, no. Did I?
What in the hell?
This is not even beer. There's no alcohol in this.
It's just lemonade.
It's lemonade. Here's some sparkling lemonade. Thank you, Kyle. That was forward thinking.
I don't know if Kyle gave us this or not.
Hey, you know what? Smells like lemonade.
It smells good.
You know what it doesn't have? That alcohol taste.
Oh God, it tastes like
water.
Fabioso.
Okay, it's like you had weak lemonade and it sat in your glass all day and the ice
like,
melted.
No, that tastes like bathroom cleaner.
Hey.
Ugh.
Hey, as far as beer goes, that sucks.
Don't put it back in there.
Huh?
Don't put it back in there.
I'm letting it keep the other stuff cold. Because it's cold. There goes UPS with your packages right now. They're on the way, in case you were asking. Okay, all right, here we go. Crookstave in Colorado. Strawberry Fields Blonde Ale, 5% alcohol.
That was the first beer we had.
Pack it up, pack it in. Be sure to pack out. That one, Colorado
Jump
people
around.
like that. They want, yeah, jump around. Keep cold, drink fresh. Please recycle. Strawberry Field Blonde Ale brewed. I think I already gave alcohol and all, didn't we? Yeah, 5%. All right, here we go. Ain't nothing left to do here but drink. Strawberry Fields Forever. God, either that thing is old or it's just plain bad. Is that old or do you know?
Smells. I don't think it is. I don't know.
Oh, wait, does it smell okay?
It smells like perfume.
Smells kind of good, doesn't it? Get you a big old gulp of it and see.
Does it
Yeah,
taste
but
like
you like
perfume?
that.
Does it taste like perfume?
It does. Don't you dare.
No, I don't like it.
Well, okay.
But I don't taste perfume. I taste nothing.
I
Can you taste strawberry?
taste something. Yeah. Okay. That was good. Yummy. Glad we got that.
No,
Kyle, did you give that to us too?
Stop. That has no taste to it. Do you want to taste this again?
Well, yeah. I mean, it may make it. Who knows?
No, it won't.
We may get drunk, forget what we're doing. Start giving them away because of the spelling. All right.
Oh, come on, man.
Oh, okay. Here's something that's got a possibility here. Destil Brewery. They are in Normal, Illinois. Normal, Illinois. You know there's a Normal, Alabama, don't you? Mm-hmm. Right where A&M College is. The post office right there is Normal, Alabama. American Porter with peanut butter flavor, nutty, chocolatey, smooth, 6.1% alcohol. Destil, Normal, Illinois. Got a lot of peanuts on the side here. This may be something. This may be something. And you know what else? It's got those black colored cans. Those always look cool. All right. We got Mr. Peanut Butter. See what you got here. Peanut butter porter. Peanut butter porter time. Peanut butter porter time. Peanut butter with a baseball bat. Oh, no, wait, no. Let it settle down a minute. Because you didn't smell anything to start with, did you?
Mm-mm.
And mine may be in the foam smell of that. That's some peanut butter right there. That's a Nutter Butter peanut butter cookie.
Mm. Oh, I'm getting the peanut butter now.
Okay, yeah. Took a second to release. What are you doing?
Smell mine.
Oh.
Smell my finger.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Come on.
All right, come on now. Be good. Be true to us. That's pretty good. That's commodity peanut butter, but that's pretty good.
Yeah.
That's not creamy Jif or Peter Pan.
No.
You know, Peter Pan's real creamy. You got the oil in it. That is not that. This is more of a dry.
There's no sweet.
Yeah, this is a very dry peanut butter when you get it.
It's a porter.
Mm-hmm.
It's a porter for sure.
I wish it had a little something in it though. It's just porter. That's all it is. It's just a porter.
Yeah.
But I will give it that.
But hey, at least
porter.
Finally, it's got goddamn peanut butter taste.
For real. Yeah, okay. It is what it says it is. Do you need to get a picture of that? Mm-hmm. All right. Do that. Send it to the home office. In Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. That's where all of this broadcast goes to the public from Destil Brewing. All right, so
Drink yours.
Here we go. Destil Brewing from Normal, Illinois. I need to get that out of here because I'm fixing to make this good. What is she? What is she?
What?
She's my...
Oh, a cherry pie.
She's my cherry pie. And put her in a can and... This is brewed and canned by Destil Brewery, Normal, Illinois. Inspired by the nostalgic song "She's My Cherry Pie" by Winger. Now, who sang that?
Winger.
Sorry, who sang it?
Oh, Shit.
Poison?
No.
Oh. This style ale is refreshingly tart and slightly sweet taste adventure that will keep you coming back for more. Sour ale with natural flavors, 4.9% alcohol, and cherry pie was brought to you in the 80s by...
On the tip of my tongue.
By tip of my tongue.
Warrant.
Warrant. Hairband. Oh.
What?
You
want to
stoked
open
it. You stoked? Yeah, I'm the opener. I get the first shot at cherry
I
pie.
think we've had this before.
We may have. I remember the song now.
It may not be the
Woo!
same brewery.
Wow.
Jeez.
That's like cherry. If they pull this off, if it's not just, liquidy, gooey,
Yeah.
cold, sweet. Dude, that's good. That is good right there. See? Nancy's digging it right now. What do you think, Boo? Boo said,
It's sour, all right.
It's sour and it's tart. But it's not like super sour.
Yeah, it is.
That's some good stuff right there.
Oh, did I take a picture of that? Can't
She's my
remember.
cherry pie.
No. Okay,
Someone is hammering
Come on.
outside. All right.
we got to get momentum.
Yeah. Yeah, give us one memento. Memento. Oh, we only have 3 left. We're doing good. We won't get them all this time. Oh, yeah, you asked me, did I buy this one day? I didn't. So this is Revision Brewing.
Because we had this last week, didn't we?
I don't know. The Right Slice. An imperial stout with blueberries, graham crackers, coconut, vanilla, cinnamon, and natural flavors by Revision Brewing Company. It's 12% alcohol. IBUs is 44. And Revision Brewing is, where are they? Brewed in can. Oh, wait. Sparks, Nevada. Sparks, Nevada. Or Spokes, somewhere in Nevada. These people right here. Revision Brewing. The Right Slice. This is
Yeah, see, we had this.
This is oh, we did, didn't we?
Yeah,
Did we love it then?
I'm not sure.
I got a feeling.
I think we did like the second time around.
Oh my God.
You didn't like it the first time.
Well, this may be the second time. It smells super.
Yum.
Doesn't that smell good?
Yeah.
All right, dear, note too, like when we're going back through videos and everything, when we do an ice cream stout night, this is going to be in it. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. And I'm not a stout drinker. But that's got some flavors in it, doesn't it?
It's got it all.
Woo!
You can taste the blueberry.
Uh-huh.
I'm not tasting the graham cracker though yet.
Maybe a little bit.
Definitely coconut
Yep.
and vanilla.
Yep.
No cinnamon though.
No.
I think we said that the last time too. We couldn't taste the cinnamon, but
I hope we said this the last time because you know what would make that over the top great?
marshmallow.
It would, wouldn't it? I mean, it
Yeah,
seriously
no, it
would.
really would.
It would make it a little creamier and just a touch sweet.
But
Woo.
you can't tell it's a stout.
No, not at all. This is like a I don't want to say a sour in disguise, but that's good. That's really good. Revision.
Yeah.
They pulled that off pretty well. That's pretty good. Right slice. I bet you home slice. I mean, it's a lot. I'll tell you that.
I like it. This is my favorite so far.
You think? Here, you want to hit that? Okay.
That and the trim tab
Trim tab's
so far.
super good, yeah.
Out of 15 beer. No, wait. How many we got left?
Just a couple.
It's beyond.
Yeah, okay. All right, so we're going to come back. That was the second one. And if you enjoyed that, wait till the third episode. Just be here.